Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss MCQs on medicinal chemistry 1 unit 4, that is drugs acting on central nervous system. So let's begin. Question is dash reduce excitement and are commonly used as anxiolytics. The answer is sedatives. The next question is dash is an example of long acting barbiturates. The answer is phenobarbital. The next question is which of the following drug is not an example of short acting barbiturate. The answer is glutathione. Question is which of the following types of drug does not come under benzodiazepines? The answer is miscellaneous. The next question is dash is not an example of hypnotic drugs. The answer is oxazepam. The next question is dash is an example of anti-anxiety drugs. The answer is chlordiazepoxide. The next question is dash is an example of anticonvulsant drugs. The answer is oxazepam. The next question is dash is an example of newer non-benzodiazepine hypnotic. The answer is zopiclone. The next question is dash is not an example of miscellaneous drugs. The answer is oxazepam. Already uploaded all the videos to understand the drug classifications help of tricks, so you can watch them. I have uploaded the link in the description box. Next question is dash was the first benzodiazepine. The answer is chlordiazepoxide. The next question is chlordiazepoxide was accidentally synthesized in 1961. The next question is benzodiazepines bind to dash on the cell membrane, facilitates the opening of chloride channel, causing the influx of chloride ions. The answer is GABA receptor. The next question is this potentiation of GABA produces all of the above, that is sleep, anesthetic effect, anxiolytic effect. The next question is in SAR of benzodiazepines, methyl group is attached to the nitrogen atom at dash in the ring B. The answer is position 1. Question is in SAR of benzodiazepines, by replacing the carbonyl function with two hydrogen atoms at position 2 in ring B, dash is yielded midazepam. The next question is in SAR of benzodiazepines, the yielded dash increases the duration of action and also favors the formation of water soluble salts. The answer is clorazepate. The next question is chlordiazepoxide is an anxiolytic benzodiazepine derivative having dash property which is anticonvulsant, amnestic, sedative. So all of the above. The next question is dash is water soluble benzodiazepine derivative that is effectively used for treating anxiety. The answer is clorazepate. The next question is dash is benzodiazepine used as an anti-anxiety agent. The answer is lorazepam. The next question is dash is a short acting non-benzodiazepine hypnotic which binds to BDZ receptor on GABA receptors and enhances the activity of GABA. The answer is zolpidem. The next question is the given structure is of diazepam. The next question is alprazolam is a triazolobenzodiazepine compound having dash property. The answer is sedative hypnotic. The next question is zolpidem is used for treating dash for short period of time. The answer is insomnia. The question is the given structure is of zolpidem. The next question is in the synthesis of diazepam on heating dash with ammonia, cyclization occurs to form non-diazepam whose N-methyl with methyl iodide yields diazepam. The answer is chloroacetamide. The next question is alprazolam non-specifically binds with the dash receptors and mediates sleep. Benzothiazepine. The next question is barbiturates dash the action of benzodiazepines by additive effect. The answer is potentiate. The next question is barbiturates with good hypnotic activity are dash and have lipid water coefficient between certain limits. The answer is weak acids. The next question is dash is a barbituric acid derivative which act as a non-selective depressant for CNS. The answer is phenobarbital. The next question is dash is a short-acting barbiturate which is efficient as an sedative and hypnotic. The answer is pentobarbital. The next question is meflobarbital is a barbiturate metabolized to phenobarbital. The next question is the given structure is of butabarbital. Next question is dash is used for treating insomnia and anxiety disorders for a shorter period of time. The answer is butabarbital. The next question is amide is a functional group in which a dash is attached to only C double bond O via single sigma bond. The answer is nitrogen. The next question is imide is a functional group in which nitrogen is attached to C double bond O groups via single sigma bond. The answer is 2. The next question is the given structure is of. The answer is glutathione. The next question is dash is the carbamate having hypnotic, sedative and muscle relaxant property. The answer is meflobarbital. The next question is meflobarbital binds with dash receptors and interrupts neuronal communication in the reticular formation and spinal cord. The answer is GABA A. The next question is aldehyde is a class of organic compounds in which a carbon atom shares a double bond with dash atom. The answer is oxygen. The next question is aldehydes are derived from dash of alcohols. The answer is dehydrogenation. The next question is the given structure is of. The answer is ethchlorovinyl. The next question is antipsychotic drugs are mainly used for treating schizophrenia. Question is dash agents are also called mood altering agents. The answer is antipsychotics. The next question is dash is an example of phenothiazine derivative. The answer is chlorpromazine. The next question is dash is an example of diphenyl butyl piperidines. The answer is penfluoridol. The next question is which of the following is not an example of antipical neuropletic. The answer is penfluoroid. The next question is malingol comes under dash derivatives. The answer is indole. The next question is which of the following is an example of substituted benzamides. The answer is sulpirides. The next question is all antipsychotics dash block the D2 receptor except clozapines. The next question is in the antipsychotics mechanism of action, clozapine affects blocks various receptors through all of the above, that is 5-HT, acetylcholine and histamine. The next question is dash are used for controlling excessive aggressive as destructive behavior in children and produce a calming effect. The answer is phenothiazines. The next question is dash is the most commonly used phenothiazines. The answer is all of the above, that is chlorpromazine, trifluoprozine, thioridazine. The next question is in the SAR of phenothiazines potency increases in dash order of the ring substitution position. 1 less than 4 less than 3 less than 2, that means the highest for 2 and lowest for 1. The next question is dash is a phenothiazine derivative prepared by condensation 3-chloro-NN-dimethyl propylamine with phenothiazine in the presence of sodium hydride. The answer is promazine. The question is dash is a phenothiazine used as antipsychotic and antiemetic. The answer is triflupromazine. The next question is dash is fluorinated phenothiazine derivative which also has a piperazine nucleus. The answer is trifluoprozine. The next question is the given structure is of. The answer is chlorpromazine. The next question is dash is a dibenzoapazine compound representing a subclass of tricyclic antipsychotic agents. The answer is loxapine. The next question is dash is the final product of typical antipsychotics discovered in the late 1950s by the pharmaceutical company Janssen. The answer is fluorobutyrophenones. The next question is dash is a phenylpiperidine butyrophenone and a traditional antipsychotic drug used for treating schizophrenia and other psychosis. The answer is haloperidol. The next question is dash is a dopamine D2 receptor antagonist which is therapeutically used as a digestive aid, antipsychotic and a antidepressant. The answer is sulpiride. The next question is anticonvulsants are also known as antiepileptics and anti-seizure drugs. So the answer is both A and B. The next question is anticonvulsants suppress the rapid and excessive firing of dash which starts as a seizure. The answer is neuron. Is not the example of GABA analogs. The answer is clobazam. The next question is the given structure is of succinimides. The next question is drug involved in enhancement of sodium channel inactivator is valproate. The next question is dash is the agent acting on GABA chloride ionophore complex. The answer is progabite. The next question is dash agent does not involve introduction of current through type calcium channels. The answer is flumazenil. The next question is dash occurs due to surge of abnormal synchronous discharge from a network of neurons. The answer is seizures. The next question is anticonvulsant drug therapy became highly advanced since 1950. The next question is barbiturates are substituted dash derivatives having a ureate configuration. The answer is pyrimidine. The next question is dash is a barbituric acid derivative which acts as a non-selective CNS depressant. The answer is phenobarbital. The next question is dash is a barbiturate anticonvulsant used for treating epilepsy and having similar properties to phenobarbital. The answer is methabarbital. The question is hydantoins are a dash ring structure having two nitrogens in the ureate configuration. The answer is 5-membered. The next question is hydantoins were tested as anticonvulsants by Merritt and Putnam. The next question is dash is the second choice drug to carbamazepine. The answer is trigeminal neuralgia. The next question is the given structure is of. The answer is mefenitoin. The next question is oxazolidine diones were introduced for anticonvulsant therapy between. The answer is 1946 and 1948. The next question is dash may cause fetal trimethadione syndrome. The answer is paramethadione. The next question is dash were introduced by substituting the ring O in the oxazolidine diones with a methylene group. The answer is succinimides. The next question is on cyclization of succinic acid derivative with ammonia dash is obtained. The answer is ethosuximide. The next question is structure. This structure is of metsuximide. The question is among the aromatic acetylurea dash is the more active. The answer is phenacetamide. The next question is among the aliphatic acetylurea those derived from branched acids having nearly dash exhibit the maximum anticonvulsant activity. The answer is 7-carbon atom. The next question is dash is a anticonvulsant and mood stabilizing drug which mainly used for treating epilepsy, bipolar disorder and trigeminal neuralgia. The answer is carbamazepine. The next question is dash is supplied with its sodium salt valproate semi-sodium divalproic sodium. The answer is valproic acid. Now thank you.